What's good, YouTube? Somebody boy back with another video. And today, why do I look like I'm shaking? We off the phone right now, and I'm about to drive back home to South Carolina. It's about a 4-hour drive. Nah, about 3:30 around there. But I thought, why? Like, I have to go get gas, obviously, because if you see, like, oh, that's not the gas, my dumb ass, right there. So I thought, why not just show y'all how much it costs to fill up a Camaro right here when you go to Costco. Because I'm going to Costco. If it's any car guys on here that want to say, oh, Costco gas watered down, it's cheap, it's blah blah, okay, I don't care. Okay, I do care, but I don't care. But that's where we finna go. And for some reason, it says this is a 10-minute drive for 1 mile. It's not right there no more. But that's what we're headed to right now. So I'm going to get to y'all when we get to the Costco. Puss that. All right, y'all. We are at Costco, and you know how the lines be here if you go here. I've never gotten gas here before, but this is crazy. But I do get gas. Like when I was in South Carolina, I would get gas at Sam's all the time, which is basically the same thing. But this line is crazy. I'm just gonna wait because I'm just gonna wait. So, yep. Get to y'all when we get to the pump. All right, y'all. So we are at Costco. See the price right there. How the fuck do you use this shit? Insert. All right, insert. Huh? How the fuck you use this shit? Alright. Oh, let's not put that in there. Gotcha, that man. Oh, might have put the card in there. Alright. As you know, you do use 93 in here. So let's get that 93. All right, now let's just record this.
I remember we was not at empty, so who was that, like what was it? First line. And this holds,
I done had 16, 17 gallons going here, but so we should get about 13 maybe. And I'm gonna guess $56. Man, that car's smoking like hell. Y'all see this? Turn off cell phones. No, nigga, we trying to blow on the tube, on the car channel, ain't the main channel, and I'm asking. Niggas probably like, who the fuck this nigga talking to? Damn. Look at this. This is crazy. All these people here. Because of this cheap ass gas. I said 56. I don't know if we're gonna make it to 56. Nah, we gonna make it to 56. If I get this right on the dot, y'all gotta like and subscribe to this video. Oh, 53. Close. Gotta get the tip clean, take it out, put it in there. So as y'all can see, it did cost $53 for 16 gallons almost. Get that receipt. And if y'all don't know, get them receipt apps where you can scan your things and get like the points and stuff. All right, y'all, we finna head. All right, look, y'all gonna see where it took us from. Took us from the first line, right? Where's it at? Right there. To right here. And I do get, I'm not a crazy driver, so, oh shit, 274. That's kind of low for me. I ain't gonna cap. I usually get about 320 because I don't drive crazy or nothing. But 320 miles is not that bad for real. Like, I think it's, well, I said 320, but 274, that's just because, you know, hanging out with Quan and them niggas. Fucking NASCAR driver. We going this way. Yeah, they be, you got to keep up with them. But honestly, by the time I get home, or halfway there, I'll probably still have the same amount. Just because the highway miles, I get great highway miles. Most I ever got, see, this is what the GoPro be doing, bro. Y'all see this? Most I got was about 320, I think. So we just gonna see what we get. And I'm gonna give y'all a little POV drive to McDonald's because I'm finna get some McDonald's before this long drive. Go ahead, ho. You see me stopping all the way back here. Stop being stupid. Alright, I gotta look at McDonald's because I don't know where I'm at. I never know where I'm at anywhere I go, so shut up, fuck nigga. Bro, the traffic right now is crazy. And I'm holding this right here because, you know, somebody got that gas on deck. Gotta be this Charger. I don't know though. Could be this Camaro. Could be this Malibu. Could be this Porsche. Y'all can't even see that. I'm fucking up. What's up, nigga? You want smoke? You better not. Weak ass V6. It's crazy because I'll be saying that and niggas be saying the same shit to me. Like Fonte and all them bitch ass niggas. They be like, slow ass SS, weak ass SS, weak ass, weak. Shut the fuck up, nigga. But I'm gonna be saying the same thing to the SS's when I get a ZL1. And I said when I get a ZL1 because I'm gonna get a ZL1. I don't care. I don't care what people got to say. I'm getting a ZL1. Oh, get a house for. Shut up, bitch. Let me get my dream car. Fuck, Nick. Alright, y'all. We arriving at McDonald's. Bro, I be scraping coming out of here. Oh, my God. Bro. Oh, I thought this was the line. I'm finna tweak out. Alright. Now, I don't know if I don't even feel like I got no damn. Why am I putting on my blinker? Y'all ever do that? Y'all ever accidentally put your blinker light on like in a drive-thru or something? Or like, what else do I be doing? Like, I know sometimes you're supposed to do it turning out a park or turning in a parking spot. Sometimes I'll be doing that like, even if nobody around. But I'd be scared to go through these. Damn. My brakes will be getting changed this week, so if you hear this squeaking, shut up. Alright, niggas, we finna hit Starbucks. I ain't gonna cap. And then after I get to Starbucks, that's when I'm ending this video. We gotta wait for this car to go. Let's go. We're gonna pull out in front of the Jeep. Big Jeep ski. We're gonna stay at our late. Oh, they gotta slow down. Oh shit, I gotta go left. Come on, my boy. That SRT, it might just have your bitch in it. It's crazy how they put, I ain't gonna lie, Dodge, Jeep, Chrysler, and Ram, they all the same thing, right? But they are some of the smartest marketers, not even marketing, bro. Well, yes, marketing too, because they commercials be crazy. They commercials be like, bro, I'm trying to get this cat, this scat, I'm trying to spin this hoe. And then like, Chevy, it just be them driving on a damn mountaintop like a grandpa, bro. But Chevy, I mean, Dodge done got smart to where they put the, what they put, the, like hellcat engines in a Jeep, bro. A Jeep. A scat engine in a Jeep. Like, that is just crazy. Nobody does that. And that's like one of the smartest things you can do. Bro, if they would have put the scat engine in a the hellcat engine in a Wrangler, because they did it with a scat, they would have put a hellcat engine in a Wrangler, bro, that shit would have been crazy. And if Chevy would have put Like that Blazer, bro. If they would have put an SS engine or a ZL1 engine in that, bruh, do you know the sales they could have got? They could have got so many sales and made it lighter and faster than a Trackhawk, bro. Oh my gosh. Only thing, Trackhawks look way better. But this is where I'm gonna be ending this video. If you enjoyed this video, like, comment, subscribe if you're new. This will be where you'll be finding the Camaro POVs, all the car content from me if you coming from my other channel. But I'm gonna catch y'all in the next video. I'm out.